Hello students, here is Shitu, your mathematics teacher. This video is brought to you by eOTA Virtual Learning. In this video, we are going to be solving problems from past WAEC questions on the topic fractions and operations involving decimals. Question number 1. Simplify 2 over 6 minus 1 over 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 2 over 3. This is WAEC 1996. So we have these options here. We have to simplify this. This is coming from fraction. So we have, pause the video, solve it, and come back to watch. So now if you want to solve this, we need to simplify this inside the parentheses, that is bracket first. And it's simple. We have the whole number here, we have whole number here. So what we need to do is that let's bring the whole number together. 2 minus 1, then 1 over 6. We have the minus here, 2 over 3. Okay, before the division, we have this one here divided by 2 over 3. So now let's solve this one here first before we even tamper this. Okay, so now from there, 2 minus 1, we're going to have 1 plus, so we have 1 over 6 minus 2 over 3. So we are going to look for the LCM of 6 and 3. So 6 and 3, that's going to be, the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6, because 6 will go in 6 without remainder. 3 will also go in 6 without remainder. So 6 divided by 6, 1. We're going to have 1 minus 3 in 6, that is 2. The 2 we have multiplied by 2, we're going to have what? We're going to have 4, right? Divided by 2 over 3. So now the next thing we are going to do, we're going to have 1 plus. You can see now we cannot take away 4 from 1. So what we are going to do now, we are going to write this 1. Let's, the 1 is same thing as 6 over 6 because of this the denominator. So we can write 1 as 6 over 6. So this is what I'm saying. This one here will be replaced by 6 over 6, then plus 1 minus 4 over 6. Okay, divided by 2 over 3. So now the next thing we are going to do here is that since we are having the same denominator now, okay, so we can now have take 1 6. So then add this is 6, the plus here, put the plus here, 1 minus 4, now divided by, so 2 over 3. So now from there we can see that we can now add 6 plus 1 will give us 7, then 7 minus 4, that's going to be 3 over what? 3 over 6, then divided by, now here now we change this 2 over 3, we change it to improper fraction. By 3 times 2, we do 3 times 2, then plus 2 over what? Over 3. So this is going to be 3 times 2, that will be 6. 6 plus 2 over 3. So that will be giving us 6 plus 2, that is what? That is 8 over 3. So everything here will be 8 over 3. We have 8 over 3. So now we cannot do anything. What we need to do is we change this. We have 3 over 6. If we change this division, this will go up, this one will come down. So this is going to be 3 over 8. Are you following? So 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So we are left with 3 times 1 over 2 times 8. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then 2 times 8 is what? 16. So therefore that is the solution. We have the solution to be 3 over 16. So now let's look at our option up there. So do we have 3 over 16? So you can see that we have 3 over 16. That is option what? Option A. So option A is a solution to the problem. Okay. The question number 2, given to simplify 4 over a minus 3 minus 1 over a plus 2 WAEC 2023. Then we have the options here. Pause the video, solve it, and come back to watch. So when you look at this, from the options, you can actually get your answer, because when you have this, you are going to multiply the denominators together. That will be our LCM. So the LCM is when you multiply a minus 3 and a plus 2 together, that would be our denominator all through. So now if you want to actually check what will be your answer, just look at the one that has denominator a minus 3 a plus 2, a minus 3 a plus 2, a minus 3 a plus 2. Getting a minus 3 plus 2. When you look at it, you can see it's only d that has this. Are you getting that? But we can do it so to confirm whether that is our solution or not. So now from there, so let me bring this 4 over a minus 3 minus 1 over a plus 2. So what you are going to do, you find the LCM is going to be a minus 3 then a plus 2. So here this a minus 3 in a plus 3, so a minus 3 and a plus 2, you can see that a minus 3 we cancel this, a minus 3 remain this, so we're going to have 4 into bracket a plus 2 then minus a minus 2, we cancel this a minus 2, we are left with this, we're going to have 1 multiply, you multiply the remaining by this numerator 1, that is a minus 3. So now from there, so now we're going to have 4 times a, we have 4a, 4 times 2, we have what? We have plus 4 times 2 is 8, then minus 1 times a, we are going to have minus a, minus 1 times minus 3, we are going to have plus 3. You don't need to open or to expand this denominator, so that one will be like that. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do is just to add this. So now if you look at this, 4a minus a, let's collect, because we have a here and we have a here, we can collect them together. 4a minus a, that will give us 3a, then plus 8 plus 3, that will give us plus 11. I get it now. Then all over a minus 3 then a plus 20, a plus 2, a plus 2. So now when you look at the options we have here, you can see that the one that go with this, okay, is this D. I get it now. So therefore we have what? We have this option D to be the solution. So question number 3. So given that 6x minus y over x plus 2y equals 2, find the value of x over y 1998. Then we have the options here. Kindly pause this video, okay, solve it yourself, then come back to see what we have there. All right, so now I'm going to write this 2 as fraction over 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do cross multiplication to make the equation, you know, be in a linear form. To be straight in, we have 6x minus y equals 2, we'll be multiplying x plus 2y. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We have 6x minus y equals, we use this 2 to open the bracket, 2 is multiplying everything, we have 2x plus 2 times 2, we have 4y. So now from here we transpose, this 2x will be transposed to this and this will be transposed to this, so that is collecting the like terms. So we are going to have 6x minus 2x, as this one coming to the left hand side, it will have to change to negative, then 4y, this one is going, we're going to change to positive y. So now from there we have 6x minus, you are taking away 2x from 6x, that will give us 4x equals 4y plus y, that will give us 5y. But the question said we should look for x over y. So what will be our x over y? So therefore what we need to do is we divide both sides by 4y. 4y. You see that here 4, we cancel this 4, we're going to have x over y is now going to be y, we cancel y, so we're going to have 5 over 4. So 5 over 4 is the solution to the problem. Okay, now let's check the option there. Which one is 5 over 4? You can see option D. Option D is what is our solution, which is 5 over 4. Number 4. The question says evaluate and correct to two decimal places 75.0785 minus 34.624 plus 9.83. We have the option. So you can see that we have mixed operation here, addition and subtraction. So we are going to attend to addition and subtraction. Addition first, therefore we're going to take this one and the last one here first. So we are going to arrange them like this. So we arrange in this form. So we take this one, that is the first number, which is 7 points. Then we take the positive also, the positive one, which is 9 points. So we're going to add these two together. So now adding this together, see how I arrange my own. These decimal points must be vertically, the same. So therefore, so that when you put ruler there, these two decimal points must join. So if you must do it that way, you can see that 9 will be under 5, 8 will be here, and 3 will be here. So we do the addition. We have 5, 8. Okay, then this is going to be 7 plus 8 will be 10. Then we have 9 here. Then point 5 plus 9, that will be 14. We write 4, you keep 1 here. Then 1 plus this, we're going to have 8. So we have 84.9085, right? Then now we now subtract this one. We do the subtraction. So this is going to be, put the decimal point first so that they must be in line. So we have 624. You start from here, 624. Then here we have 4 here and 3 here. So you do the subtraction. So you can see you're going to have 5. Take away 4 from there. You have 4. So you borrow 1 from here. This will be 10. 10 minus 2, we have 8. This remain what? This remain 8. 8 minus 6, that will be 2 point. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 3, that is what? That is 5. Can you see now? So we have that. So now what the question said, we should approximate to two decimal places. So now checking two decimal places, it means after this decimal point, we want to see two digits. So therefore 2, 8. We stopped at 2, 8. But looking at this place here, looking at the next digit after this 8, you see up to 5. You can see 4 is less than 5. So definitely that's how it's going to be. So we are going to stop at 8. This is going to be 50.28. I get it now. So to what? To two decimal place. So now look at this place, at the option we have here. You can see that we have this option C. So option C is the solution to the problem. Thank you so much for watching, and we come to the end of the class. Okay, if you enjoyed it, please kindly watch this video over and over again so that when you see your exams, you'll be able to write and pass very well. Bye bye.